Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic how to reduce a given fraction to its lowest form, or simply if you want to say how to simplify the given fraction. So first number fraction I will take over here is 36 upon 42. Now this is the first fraction. What I am supposed to do is reduce it to the lowest form, or let's say simplify the fraction. How to do? Always whenever you see a fraction, you see with which number both numerator and denominator gets divided. Okay, you can see both 36 and 42 is divisible by 2, right? So go ahead and divide by 2. Done. When you will divide, what you will see? You will get answer as 18 upon 21. Now do you think both 18 and 21 go in any one single table? Yes. Again, you will see that both this number goes in the table of 3. So when you divide this, you will get answer as 6 upon 7. Now, do you think 6 upon 7 goes, 6 and 7 goes in one single table except one, any other number? No. So over here, 6 upon 7 will be the lowest form or the simplified form of the fraction 36 upon 42. One more sum I'll take. A small number. If you can try with me. Okay. Now over here both 4 and 20 goes in which table? Very good. Number 2. You can try with me over here. So when you divide, you will get answer is 2 upon 10. Now 2 and 10 goes in which table together? 2. When you will divide, you will get answer as 1 upon 5. So the simplified fraction or lowest form of 4 upon 20 will be 1 upon 5. And now one last sum for this video, which is very easy, and I think you can easily get the answer directly. Just cross check it. Both the numbers goes in the table of 3. When you divide, you will get answer as 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is the lowest, because you cannot divide both 2 and 5 with any other number except 1. So the lowest form of 6 upon 15 will be 2 upon 5. So I hope you have understood. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.